So I just want to do a short video of the train shed. It's a little messed up right now, but I'm gonna get it all cleaned up and start getting tables put where I want and shelves, because it's gonna be a multi-purpose room. It's gonna be a train room slash shop slash storage. Started some of the shelves over there. The top shelf, it will be just storage, and the bottom I was hoping to do a train shelf all the way around 3 corners of the shed and have like a train bridge come across here so I can run trains continuously. Hoping to have my workbench right there along that wall. And I went ahead and put a double door in the front so I can store larger things inside here. But that was just a short video to show the progress so far.